This is OREN, the cat, with a fighting spirit to survive with such handicap. And he has got a gift. Ini ada hadiah coming from secret admirer. Okay, let's do unboxing. Alright, OREN, there's a package for you. Ada benda datang ni. Benda-benda. Unboxing. Coming from Kakak Nohazima to Aisyah. I heard it is a surprise for OREN. I heard it is something for OREN. Oh. So OREN is curious to check. So a big parcel coming from the Antarctic, coming from KL. This is a surprise. OREN, hey, you're not gonna look here. I think this could be for you. Wow. Wheels. This could be a surprise. Huh, what is that, OREN? What is that? Huh, what is that? What is that? It's another. Ada lagi. Wow. Wow, this is something else in the box. Untuk apa? A gift surprise. Another surprise. I don't smell this one. I don't see this one coming. What is it? You're curious? What is that? Drone. Let's continue with the surprise for our dear friend here. Yeah, OREN, something for you. Okay, kita buka. Okay, so we continue with the gadget. Something to do with this guy. What is this? The cat has got a new toy. OREN has got a new toy. What is it? Yeah, OREN. Nice gadget. Wheels. Let's just figure out. Yes, itu juga ketinggian. Wow. Something very interesting. I've never seen this equipment before in my life because I'm not a cat fan. But I don't mind cat. I'm not a cat lover, but I like cat. I like their presence and I like to play with them once in a while. But my kids are having some fun with this cat. And OREN is handicapped due to some nerve disorder. So they decided to keep and take care. We continue to take care of this poor OREN who is attacked after hot fever. Betul lah kata Syah. Ada adjustment untuk Syah itu
Ini siapa buat lah.
so you can expand this equipment to size. Can be expanded to size of the cat. This is considered S size. Hai OREN. Mana boleh sangkut bawah ni, Pak? Go. Alright, go. Alamak, nice. Dia selalu nak nyorok bawah kereta lah. Sangkut bawah kereta. Tu. Why you sangkut bawah kereta?
Ni apa? Tak. Hai OREN. Mana boleh sangkut bawah ni, Pak? Go. Alright, go.
Oh, alamak, nice.